Hello guys, welcome back to Mathematics. Today we are going to check the question 1 of stage 9 of the progression test style questions. This one says, in a class, the children measured the lengths in centimeters of their feet. They created the following table with the results. And then we see the table with the length, frequency, the midpoint, and the midpoint multiplied by the frequency. Remember, the midpoint is just the number that is right in the middle of these intervals. So the number right in the middle of 8 and 12 is 10. And the frequency means that 12 children in this case had the length of their feet between 8 and 12. So if we add the frequency, we are going to get how many children in total we had. So let's see, 12 plus 24 plus 4, 28 plus 12, which is 40. So here we already know that there are 40 children in total. Now it says, calculate an estimate of the mean length of these feet. Let's remember the mean is just adding all of them together, but in grouped data, that means just multiplying the middle point times the frequency and everything divided by the total of children. In this case, we are already given the multiplication. This is exactly the same as xi times fi. So this is just going to be 120 plus 336 plus 72 and everything divided by 40. Let's see, this is going to be 8, 5 plus 7 is 12, 1 and 5. 128 divided by 40. Let's see, 528 divided by 40. 1 times 40 is 40 and 52 minus 40 is 12. And we bring the next number, which is the 8. How many times is 40 in 128? 3 times. 3 times 40 is 120. So we have a remainder of 8. If we write a decimal point and put a 0, we could keep going with the division and write 2. 2 times 40 is 80, so we will have a remainder of 0. So the result of this division is 13.2, which means the mean length of this feet is going to be 13.2 centimeters. And that's how you are going to get the 2 marks. Okay guys, that was all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, do your own lessons with me if you want. Drop any questions you have in the comment box and give me a like if it was useful. Bye bye guys. See you next time.